Hello everybody, in this video we will be taking a look at the Enigma stick by Pascal, Sugawara and TCC Magic. This was released at FISM 2025 and according to the ad copy, this was one of the most talked about effects at FISM 2025. Craig Petty also included this effect as the #1 effect on his best effects at FISM list. It comes in this nice envelope. The tutorial link is printed on the inside under the lid. And this is what you will receive. You will receive this very nice handcuffs and also a wooden stick or dowel. You will also get some other stuff in here to help with the main phase of the effect or the last phase of the effect. The props are very nice. They could have made it out of plastic, but they use some exotic African wood, which makes it looks very premium. There are no magnets or trapdoors, and everything can be examinable before and after the effect. The effect is very deceptive when done right. The tutorial you get is about 15 minutes long and is very straightforward. The good news is you can achieve the exact visual moment that you see in the trailer. You can see the dowel visibly penetrate the handcuff. There is a neck to it, but it's not difficult. To be honest, however, you might be a little bit disappointed when you learn the method. It is one of those, that's it moment. The secret isn't revolutionary and is more of the handling, choreography and timing. You just need to put in the work. The teaching on the tutorial is okay, but I felt that it could have gone into a bit more detail on the finger positioning during the first phase. If your hands are naturally sweaty or greasy, or you live in a very humid environment, it might be a bit harder for you to do the effect. It's a bit weird for me, as I can do the first phase perfectly with my left hand, but I can't do it with my right hand. Must be something to do with the skin on my right fingers. If you are having trouble achieving the effect using the wooden dowel, I find it helpful if you first practice with a paper straw. In my opinion, the Enigma stick can be combined with other effects to form a larger routine. The effect is very strong visually, but it's very quick and might leave audiences with the "wait, that's it" feeling. Maybe you want to combine it with other penetration effects like a ring on string or a ring on stick or a coins through glass in an escape theme sort of routine. Be careful if you are performing this to camera. That's all I'm going to say about that. The Enigma stick retails for $25 but it is currently going for $17.90 on the TCC website. Is this worth picking up? If you are willing to put in a little bit of practice and incorporate it into a larger routine, then yes. But if you are expecting a miracle right out of the box, you need to be prepared to put in some work. What would your presentation be for the Enigma stick? I love to hear how you frame this effect in your own routines in the comments below. If you found this video useful, I would appreciate that you hit the like button. Here are some other videos for you to watch next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.